Thank you for the introduction. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to give you a very short pitch and introduction to the challenge of minerals. Do you know that minerals is in all electronics that we surround ourselves with? And later today, we are going to discuss offshore wind. In each windmill, there is a large number of electronic components, which each contains minerals and metals. In an electric car, SUV, there is more than 30 kilos of copper. In all our phones, there is a large number of metals and materials: copper, silver, gold, palladium, etc. So we are using all these minerals and metals in our electronics. And the resources we have are scarce. We are, in Europe, recycling 41% of our copper. And the recycling we are doing is better than in the start of year 2000. But still, with land-based mining and recycling, we don't have enough minerals to supply the world with what's needed in the future. And also, the resources and reserves are scattered around the world. So there is actually also an issue of safety of supply. Norway is lucky. We have resources north on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. We have gold, copper, zinc, silver. And University of Bergen, NTNU, and other institutions in Norway have invested this opportunity for a number of years, because we need competence and knowledge about this opportunity. But there is also, of course, a dilemma. Should we bring up these minerals or not? They are situated on around 3,000 meters, but we have a lot of offshore competence, and we have a very innovative government and authorities that are now looking into regulations and the law of minerals with regards to how to extract these minerals. To do this, we need really multidisciplinary competence. We need the competence of geologists to understand the geological processes. We need competence in environment issues, biological issues. How does this affect the life on the seabed? We need competence in exploration, which is really challenging. We need competence in how to bring up these resources in a really sustainable way. And should we do the separation on the seabed or on the surface vessel? And how do we build business models around this? And what about the ethical aspects? So there is a large number of questions that we are addressing right now in the research community, and those are really important questions. Also in Norway, we have established Norwegian Forum for Marine Minerals, and it's a consortium of industry participants, academia, and organizations. And one of the ideas behind this forum is actually to see and investigate how we can build an industry around the mineral resources that we have on the seabed. So I'm looking forward to the discussion around this topic. Thank you.